50 Amazing Facts about Nebulas. Nebulas are vast clouds of gas and dust found in space. They are often considered the birthplaces of stars, as they are composed of the materials necessary for star formation. Nebulas come in a variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from small, dense regions to expansive and diffuse structures. The word nebula comes from the Latin word for cloud. The most famous nebula is the Orion Nebula, located in the constellation Orion. Nebulas can emit light and appear colorful due to the presence of ionized gases and the reflection of starlight off dust particles. The colors observed in nebulas can vary depending on the elements present, such as hydrogen, red, oxygen, blue, and sulfur, green. Nebulas can be formed through various processes, including the explosion of a supernova, the gravitational collapse of a molecular cloud, or the winds and radiation from massive stars. The Crab Nebula is a supernova remnant and is one of the most extensively studied objects in the night sky. Planetary nebulas are a type of nebula that form at the end of a star's life cycle when it sheds its outer layers. The Helix Nebula is a well-known planetary nebula that resembles a giant eye in space. Nebulas can also be classified as emission, reflection, or dark nebulas based on their characteristics and how they interact with light. The Horsehead Nebula, located in the constellation Orion, is a famous dark nebula that resembles the head of a horse. The Veil Nebula is a large supernova remnant located in the constellation Cygnus and is visible as a faint filamentary structure. The Cat's Eye Nebula is a planetary nebula that displays intricate concentric shells of gas and dust. Nebulas can provide insights into the life cycle of stars and the chemical elements present in the universe. The Eagle Nebula is known for its pillars of creation, which are columns of gas and dust where new stars are being formed. The Ring Nebula, located in the constellation Lyra, is a well-known planetary nebula with a distinctive ring-like structure. Nebulas are not limited to our galaxy, they can be found in other galaxies as well. The Tarantula Nebula, located in the Large Magellanic Cloud, is one of the largest and most active nebulae known. Some nebulas emit powerful jets of gas and radiation from their centers, known as Herbig-Haro objects. The Boomerang Nebula, located in the constellation Centaurus, is one of the coldest places in the universe, with a temperature close to absolute zero. The pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula were captured by the Hubble Space Telescope in a famous image. Nebulas can serve as stellar nurseries, where the dense regions within them can collapse under gravity to form new stars. The Lagoon Nebula is an emission nebula located in the constellation Sagittarius and is visible to the naked eye from Earth. The Trifid Nebula, also located in Sagittarius, is known for its three prominent dust lanes that divide the nebula into different sections. The Carina Nebula is one of the largest and brightest nebulae in the sky and contains several star-forming regions. The Eskimo Nebula, also known as the Clownface Nebula, is a planetary nebula with a distinctive appearance resembling a face. Some nebulas can exhibit complex structures and filaments to echo the interaction of magnetic fields and stellar winds. The Rosette Nebula, located in the constellation Monoceros, is shaped like a flower and contains a cluster of young stars at its center. Nebulas can be observed in different wavelengths of light, including visible light, infrared, and radio waves, providing a comprehensive view of their properties. The Veil Nebula is a supernova remnant that resulted from a star that exploded around 8,000 years ago. The Omega Nebula, also known as the Swan Nebula, is a vast emission nebula located in the constellation Sagittarius. Nebulas can often be found in regions of space where there is an abundance of young, hot stars. The Witch Head Nebula, located in the constellation Eridanus, appears as a profile of a witch's head in infrared images. Nebulas can be hundreds or even thousands of light years across, making them enormous structures in space. The Heart Nebula, located in the constellation Cassiopeia, has a shape resembling a human heart when viewed from certain angles. The Soul Nebula is adjacent to the Heart Nebula and is another emission nebula with intricate structures and star-forming regions. The Cygnus Loop is a supernova remnant that spans an area in the constellation Cygnus roughly 3 times the size of the full moon. The North America Nebula, located in the constellation Cygnus, has a shape resembling the continent of North America when seen in certain images. Nebulas are not static objects but evolve over time as stars within them form, age, and eventually die. The Bubble Nebula, located in the constellation Cassiopeia, is an emission nebula surrounding a massive, young star. The Iris Nebula, located in the constellation Cepheus, is a reflection nebula named after its striking resemblance to an eye. The Rho Ophi Yucca Cloud Complex is a dark nebula located near the star Antares in the constellation Scorpius. The Veil Nebula is a remnant of a supernova explosion that occurred between 5,000 and 8,000 years ago. The Crescent Nebula, located in the constellation Cygnus, has a distinctive crescent shape and is illuminated by a hot, massive star. The California Nebula, located in the constellation Perseus, resembles the shape of the U.S. state of California when observed in certain images. The Barnard's Loop is an emission nebula surrounding the Orion Molecular Cloud Complex and is visible as a large loop in the Orion constellation. The Helix Nebula, also known as the Eye of God, is a planetary nebula located in the constellation Aquarius. Nebulas are captivating celestial objects that continue to intrigue astronomers and provide valuable insights into the processes and dynamics of the universe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support.